Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to run the Google AI Studio app locally. First, open your browser and go to the Google AI Studio website. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account, otherwise you won't be able to access your projects. Now, from the left side panel, click on Build. This is where all your created apps and projects are stored. Next, click on your apps to see the list of applications you've already created. Now, select any app you want to run locally. For example, something like a Flash UI app. Click on it to open the project details. Here, you'll be able to see the full app preview along with its configuration and settings. Take a moment to review everything before moving forward. After that, click on the code option. This will show you the complete source code of the app, including front-end and back-end files. Now, if you want to run this app locally on your system, click on Share. Then, choose GitHub. This will allow you to export or upload the project to your GitHub repository. Once the project is on GitHub, open it on your computer by cloning the repository using Git. You can use tools like Git Bash or your terminal to download the files. After downloading, open the project folder in a code editor like VS Code. Then, install all the required dependencies using the command provided in the project files, usually something like npm install. Next, run the development server using the start command, such as npm run dev or npm start, depending on the project setup. Now, open your browser and go to the local server link, for example, localhost. Your app should now be running locally on your system. Finally, you can edit the code, test features, and customize the app as needed. Once you're done, you can also push your changes back to GitHub or publish the app again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.